Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can remove YouTube link from your Facebook. Please subscribe to our channel, write comments, put likes, and let's get started. So, first things first, we need to go to Facebook. And here we need to go to our page. We can do that by clicking on our image at the top of the screen. Next, right here is where we have our profile description. We can see that I have a YouTube link. We click on that. And I have a link to YouTube and Instagram. You might also have links to websites and some more TikTok, Telegram, and so on. And now, to remove this YouTube link, we need to click Edit Links. After that, we go to all of our links. And here we see a link to YouTube. To remove it, we just have to do one thing. And that's to click on the Remove button underneath the link. As you can see, the link was instantly removed. Now, once you've done that, don't forget to click Save at the top to save all the changes. Now we need to update our Facebook a little bit. And as you can see, we've only got the Instagram link left. And we've removed the YouTube link. This is the simple method to remove YouTube links from your Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments, and see you soon.